Hi. I have got a resin mold here. It's a skull, and inside of it I have powdered it with chameleon powder. This one is called Galaxy, and you can see it is a color shift mica powder. It's very blingy. Very blingy. Here, let's see if you can see that. Look at that. Yeah, very cool. And that's what's in here. I applied it with my brush all around the mold inside. And we're going to be trying Alumilite White. Okay, it says you can demold. It's a casting resin, and you can demold it within 10 minutes. So how awesome is that? So we're going to give it a try. Okay, let me grab a cup and be right back. I can't believe I did not record that first part. Oh my god. Okay, so we have our first layer in. It has turned white. It is curing, so we're going to let it sit for about a good 10 minutes. And then we're going to come back, mix up another 4 ounces, and add that to the top of this. But yeah, it only takes 10 minutes to cure, and I will remember to hit record before I pour in the next 4 ounces. Oh my gosh, it has just not been my week. Okay, it's been over 10 minutes. I could probably demold it right now, but I'm still feeling a lot of warmth on the bottom. So I want to wait for all of this warmth to dissipate before I pour my second layer on top. So we're just going to wait about another 10-15 minutes for that to cool. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes and the mold is completely cooled down. I'm going to clean out my cup. As you can see, it's completely cured. How cool is that, right? Okay, I'll get some mixed up. Be right back. Okay, I don't know what was missed before, so I'm just going to show you real quick how I mix again, just in case that didn't get on the video. I'm just cleaning out all the last little bits on my cup. There, not easy. Okay, now I'm gonna go in again with 2 ounces of side A, and 2 ounces of side B, and yep, mix it by weight or volume, either one, and then we're going to mix gently but quickly. So gently but quickly. And I'm scraping my sides, scraping the bottom of the cup. As you can tell, it is like water. Okay, I can feel it getting hot. Okay, so about there. And bring this over so you can see. I'm gonna pour this down with my spatula to try and control some more of the air bubbles. It's getting really hot in the cup. Okay, let's see where we are at. Okay, we're still not to the top, but I see a lot less air bubbles, so that's good. Oh, there's some back there. Come on. Pop up, and there it goes, curing already. Can you see it cure? Look at it turning white. That is how fast this stuff works. Hopefully we got all our air bubbles before it went white. Okay. So I'll come back in a half an hour, add the last layer, and then hopefully we can demold soon. I'm curious to see how the different layers and the separations will work with this. I think maybe I can still get some air bubbles popped. It's still kind of squishy at the top. I'm gonna leave it. I will leave it. All right. Cool. Be back in a little bit. Okay, it's nice and cured, and I'm just gonna clean up my cup. Not easy, and I'll go mix another batch and top this off. Easy peasy cleanup again. Good to go. Okay, so here we go again. Two more ounces of part A. And 2 more ounces of part B. Okay, and put that in there, scrape our sides. I will have a list of everything I've used, and if I can find links to all the items I've used, I will put them in the description below. So just right after you see the title of this where it says more, just click on that and everything will be there in the drop-down description. That looks good. All right. This should be our final coat. Hopefully. All right. Oh, let's move that over here where you can see it and I can see it. All right. And here we go. Ooh. All right. Just a tiny bit left in there. I'm not going to worry about that. Okay. Let's see, bubbles. Don't think I see any. Just going to start tapping. Yeah, I can see some bubbles. There we go. Oop, come on, get off there. But that's hot. And there it goes curing. Okay, I am going to let this sit and go through its cool down, and then we'll come back and demold it. Okay, it's all cool. Let's see how it looks. I'm a little nervous. You can see the mold, it looks really good, and then over here there's one little white spot right in here, and it's like, you see how it's a little pale? That's got me a little nervous, but otherwise, I'm excited. Excited to see how this came out. Oh my gosh, it's really tight. Oh. Okay, we will get this. There we go. Okay, are we ready? Are we ready? Here we go. Oh, how cool is that? That is a gorgeous skull. Oh my gosh, this is the best ever. Yay! This is awesome. Oh, I am digging that. I am digging that. How cool. And how quick. Oh my gosh. I think all total, because of the wait times waiting for each layer to cool completely, it might have taken us, I don't know, 2 hours total, maybe? But there we have it. I hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, guys. Loves and hugs, y'all. Bye.
We welcome you to the neighborhood. This is the Fluid Art collaboration with 27 artists over 3 huge days.
And on day one, we have Julie Eber from Art by Julie E. Kaylin Simmons from Venom Fluid Art. Christy Connolly from Creations by Christy. Chris Glatte from Chris Glatte Art. Michelle Johnson from Royal River Art. Kristen and Kayla from K&K Create. Shannon Baxman from Shambi Fluid Art. Kerry Leyland from KL Artistic. Laurie Houston from Laurie Houston Art. And on day two, we've got Janice Pittman from Just Janice. Kelly Stowell from Feral Art. Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. Jeanette Winninger from Acrylic Creations by Jay Whitty. Anna Blunt from Anna Blunt Art. Lisa Marvin from Lisa Marvin Art. Tony Pender from Hippie Dippy Painter Man. Nate Bright from Nate Bright Art. Donna Cipriano from It's Art by Donna. And on day three, we have Laurie Finser from Art by Sparkle. Taslima Mayer from Taslima Mayer Art. Tracy Paradis from Perfections Art by Tracy. Garrick Brown from Garrick Brown Art Studio. Moose from Moose Crazy's Flowing Canvas. Mary Kirk from Acrylic Art by Mary Kirk. Raina Thielen from Raina Thielen, the Witch of What the Angie Mason from Angie Mason Fluid Art. And hosting the Fluid of Us, we've got Nathan Linzel from The Fine Art of Destruction. So come join in the fun over 3 huge days where all 27 artists choose their favourite scene from the movie The Wizard of Oz and use the colours from that scene to paint with. The artists can do any technique they want, so you will see lots of magic happening. So sit back and enjoy The Fluid of Oz, an artist collaboration.